Hi guys, welcome back to another weight loss vlog. Excuse the sun situation I got going on. I'm in the car. We're kicking off the vlog a little bit different this time around just because I have started working. So I am no longer a stay-at-home mom all day. I started to go back to work part-time. I was on maternity leave for like 2 years and I think I milked it enough. So I'm going back to work and I'm only gonna be doing like for right now until like the end of the year, like 2 times a week, something, you know, to start off light. And yeah, so basically it's gonna be some of the days I'm home, some of the days I'm here at work. So last night I meal prepped because I want to continue my weight loss journey, and I know that when you start working it gets a little harder because you want to eat out or your coworker is getting Burger King for lunch or whatever it is. So I meal prepped. I made myself a like cold chicken salad, like with mayo and sour cream and stuff like that. I'll insert the clip of me prepping it right now yesterday. So I made that. I bought myself a coffee maker so I can make myself my own coffee in the morning. So I basically prepared everything, even though I'm only going to be here twice a week, or I don't know if I'll split my hours depending on how my schedule works out, but I'm prepared. So I brought everything with me. Everything's like right there in that bag. My coffee machine's in the back. So I brought everything with me to be prepared for my diet because I don't want to, you know, fall off and get into bad habits. You know, it was a lot easier for me, and even with my intermittent fasting and everything like that, it's easier for me to do it when I'm home because I'll wake up at 9 in the morning, you know, 9:30 versus having to wake up at 7 in the morning. So I'm sleeping for a little longer and it lets me like last a little longer. I don't think I'm gonna be lasting till 12 and 1 like I used to do while I'm working, but at least I'm gonna last till 11 my fasting. And I brought all my stuff, so I'm super prepared and I'm pretty excited. I'm excited for this new journey that I'm having right now, but I'm not gonna let my channel go. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna use this as motivation to not let my channel go. I know that my channel's been slacking a little bit. I haven't been consistent with my weekly vlogs. So last week I was at 153, but I didn't really vlog anything because it was the holidays, because it was Thanksgiving. I didn't vlog anything. I took a much needed break, but now I am back and I am ready. So our last weigh-in was at 153, and hopefully this week we can lose whatever we lost. My coworker just got here. So anyways, I am gonna go into work and I will see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so it is Tuesday and I got through my first day back at work. I did a full 8 hours. It was actually really good. I got back into things. Like, I wasn't as rusty as I thought, so it was a pretty good day. I was super tired last night. Didn't really do much, had some dinner, but as you guys saw, I had some meat and cauliflower rice for dinner yesterday, and then like at 12 o'clock, I had my first meal of the day, which was some leftover meat, and I fried 2 eggs with some salt and pepper. So it was pretty good. But this morning I did wake up with major keto flu. I had a horrible headache. I was kind of like delirious. Like I wasn't feeling myself. I really wasn't. So after I ate, I made myself this like electrolyte drink. Caesar actually got a recipe from some keto page here on Instagram, and he made it for me a couple of weeks ago, but I don't know the exact recipe, so I kind of just winged it. It's basically like Himalayan salt with water, some lemon or lime, whichever one you have. I think it was originally done with like lime, so that's what I had on hand, and I did it with lime. And I put a little bit of swerve sugar just to make it a little bit sweet and not so salty, and that's basically it. And that pink Himalayan salt has a lot of electrolytes, so it replenishes that and it helps with the keto flu. So after I had my first meal of the day, I had that little drink that I made, and I took 2 Excedrins because my head was just killing me, and honestly it worked. My headache went away and I feel so much better. So today in Miami, it's a bit nippy out. It's not cold, but it's like low 70s right now, so it's really nice out and there's really no sun, so it's a little bit gloomy. I don't know, it's like a really nice day. So I'm gonna take Aria for a walk because I don't want, now that I started working again, give up on my walks, you know, on the little activity that I do. So I'm gonna go on a walk, and I think today we're gonna put up our Christmas tree and just hang out. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner, but tomorrow I go back to work, but I'm only working half a day, and then I'll be able to pick up Aria from therapy and finish off the rest of my day. This weekend we are going to Disney, so I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited because I really want to go to Disney, but I'm a little bit not hesitant, but like a little bit bummed because I know that I'm not going to be on keto while I'm at Disney, because I just love Disney and I love Disney snacks, and I really want to enjoy myself and not be on keto, you know, while I'm at Disney. I really should, because I had a huge break this holiday. Like for Thanksgiving, I was eating bad from Thanksgiving till Sunday, like super bad. So I had enough, like I had a break, so I shouldn't be taking another break this weekend. But we aren't leaving till Saturday, so I figured I'll be really good from Monday through Friday, and then on Saturday I can bend the rules a little bit. I don't know, it's just, it feels so weird because the moment I get back on keto, like yesterday I was back on keto, today I feel so much slimmer. Like I just feel like less bloated, just a day of not having carbs and sugar. Like it's crazy how the body works. Like I just feel less bloated. I don't know, but yeah, I'm feeling a lot better, thank God. It's just, it was a little harder this time to get back on keto. My plan was to do like eat whatever I wanted on Thanksgiving and then pick it back up the next day, and it was just way harder than I thought to get back into it. I don't know, I really wanted to enjoy the weekend, and I took a huge break off social media. I didn't post anything. I didn't even post anything for Thanksgiving. Like I was posting on my stories, but like I really didn't post that much. I haven't posted anything on YouTube. I was supposed to post last week's weight loss vlog and I just didn't. So I am getting back into the swing of things. Hopefully today I'll film a video, maybe a beauty video, but I really I need to post this weight loss vlog. So yeah, hopefully by the time you see this, there is a beauty video up on my channel and I'll be back into the swing of things. It's just now that I started working, I'm just a little bit I get tired a little more easily, but that's not gonna stop us. We're gonna keep going. And I just posted on Instagram this quote that I saw on Pinterest, and it says, keep going because you didn't come this far just to come this far. So I know that I've come a long way. I'm down 39 pounds. So I know I've come super far, but we can't stop now because the quote says, you didn't come this far just to come this far. You need to keep going. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep going, and yeah, let me round up Aria so we can go for our walk. Good morning. It is Wednesday and I just pulled up into work, but my coworker isn't here yet, so she hasn't opened the door, so I'm just in the car chilling. Miami is 52 degrees today, so that is super crazy because Miami is usually 80 plus 90s. So we're super excited. I have a little hoodie on, another jacket. I'm still cold because hello, Miami is not used to this weather and I'm not used to this weather, but pretty excited about it. So I feel pretty good. I feel pretty thin in my clothes today, which is super awesome because I was feeling a bit bloated these last couple of days, and especially over the weekend because I ate like a freaking animal. But super excited. I do feel thin today, and today's a short day at work. I'm only working about 4 hours, then I have to go pick up Aria from therapy, perhaps go to Target and pick up some little Christmas trees and stuff to decorate the mantle at my house, and then just go back home and prepare for Disney when we're leaving on Saturday. So I do have a couple of days to just prepare. Oh, I forgot, I did bring my lunch today. So at around 11, I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna have my lunch, which was leftovers from last night, which was the chicken and cauliflower risotto, and I added some bacon to it. It was so delicious. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch, or my first meal of the day, which is gonna be at 11. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted. day 2 of my walk. Pretty proud of myself that I actually went to work, picked up Aria, went to Target, filmed a video, and now I'm walking. So it's been a super productive day and I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully this streak keeps going and I don't get lazy. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this nice 60-degree weather here in Miami and enjoy my walk. Hi guys, happy weigh-in day. Currently on my way to work right now. So I weighed in today and I am at a whopping 156, which is 3 pounds up from my last weigh-in, which you guys didn't see because I never ended up posting up the vlog. But I think I showed you guys in the beginning of this vlog that I showed you guys my stats. I was 153.8 the week before Thanksgiving, like the Friday before Thanksgiving. So yeah, we're 3 pounds up, which I kind of felt it. I kind of knew that I was gonna be heavier, well, not heavier, but I knew the scale was gonna show that I gained weight because I really went in on Thanksgiving. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know who I thought I was, but I served myself a whole lot of food on Thanksgiving Day, and the next day I kept going and going and going, and I just never stopped. So it's only been, what, 5 days that I've been back on, and I think my body is just, I didn't jump into ketosis like I usually do. Like, if I mess up 1 or 2 days, usually on the weekend, I bounce back real quick and I get into ketosis really fast. But since it was about 3 to 4 days of just eating garbage, I guess my body was like, no ma'am, we need to get it together. So I figured the scale was gonna say 3. Well, I didn't know exactly what it was gonna say, but I knew it was not gonna show a weight loss. Well, I kind of felt it that it wasn't gonna show weight loss, but that's okay because I'm pretty sure we lost maybe 2 pounds that we gained over the weekend. I do definitely feel less bloated. I mean, this morning I kind of woke up a little bit bloated. Could have been because we went to Longhorn yesterday. I didn't cheat. Let's not say I didn't cheat. Like, I didn't not eat keto-friendly things. So, didn't have any bread, didn't have any appetizers, no soups, none of that. I had a sirloin steak topped with a crab cake and crab meat. So, the crab cake might have had something that wasn't keto-friendly, and I had it with a side of butternut squash. Now, I heard butternut squash isn't the best, but it still is low carb. So, I don't know, maybe that's why I feel a little bit bloated. And it was like a maple butternut squash, so I'm sure that had some kind of sugar in it. But it was the better alternative to having French fries, potatoes. They had lobster mac and cheese, which I so wanted, and all of that. So that could be why I woke up like a little bit like bloated. But other than that, we're all good over here. I'm going to Disney tomorrow morning really, really early. And I'm not going to be in keto on Disney just because I love to try the new foods at Disney. And there's a new holiday festival at Epcot. And I'm going to try the different foods. And I want to enjoy myself. So for Saturday and Sunday, and I'm coming back Monday, I'm not gonna be on keto. But yeah, once I get back, I am going to get back into the swing of things, go hard up until Christmas. My goal is to, once I get back from Disney, start up my keto journey again, hardcore up until Christmas, no cheating, try and do it as best as I can so we can look good for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.